In this video, we'll show you how to replace the skid shoes on your Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower models. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. The unit comes with 2 skid shoes, one on each side of the impeller housing. Over time, these will become worn and will need to be replaced. Tools required: you will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. Tilt the machine back so its weight is resting on the handles. The skid shoes are held in place by 2 screws. Remove the screws using the T20 Torx screwdriver. Remove the old skid shoe and replace with a new one. Reinstall the screws and tighten. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Return the unit to the upright position. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow shovel will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.